Hello, everybody. Let us see the second part of lesson number 5, Revolutionaries of India, of Standard 8th, subject Social Science, semester 2. In that, we have seen up to Ram Prasad Bismil. Now, let us see the next revolutionaries of India. Asfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil set an example of Hindu Muslim unity. Asfaqullah Khan was an expert horse rider and in shooting too. He prevented an attack on Arya Samaj temple in Shahjahanpur. He was involved in the Manipur train conspiracy as well as Kakori train conspiracy. He too was hanged in prison on the same day as his bosom friend Ram Prasad Bismil. After that, Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad's real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bhaura village of Alirapur district in Madhya Pradesh. He was arrested and presented before the court in participating in Gandhiji's non-cooperative movement. In court, when he was asked his name, he gave it as Azad. He said his father's name was Azad, means freedom, and his residence was prison, means jail. From then on, he became popular as Azad. Chandrasekhar participated in train robbery at Kakori station. Though 40 revolutionaries were arrested, Azad managed to escape. Chandrasekhar had taken a vow not to be caught alive by the British government. On 27 February 1931, as Azad sat in Alfred Park at Allahabad, he was suddenly surrounded by British police. He fought the police team single-handedly. Finally, when he did not get a chance to flee, means to escape from the park, he shot himself with his own pistol and became a martyr. It is said that the police were so scared of Azad that they shot 2-3 bullets into his body to confirm his death before he stepped close to him. So I think we knew the history about Chandrasekhar Azad now, how brave and bold he was to shoot himself with his own pistol, but as it has taken a vow that he won't be catched by the British government. Now, one more legendary revolutionary of India, Bhagat Singh, जिनके बारे में हम सब जानते हैं. Bhagat Singh was born on 28th September 1907 in Banga village of Lalpur district in Punjab. Bhagat Singh studied European revolutionary movement and Marxist ideologist. He quickly became one of the main leaders of the Hindustan Republic Association. While studying at Lahore National College, he came in contact with Sukhdev, Bhagwat Charan and Yashpal. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi on 8th April 1928. Their main objective was to draw the attention of the British government. Though they could have escaped, they stood there and shouted slogans and surrendered themselves peacefully. It was an effort by Bhagat Singh and his friends to make other people of Indians aware about the freedom that they need very desperately. That's why they surrendered to the British government and got hanged. The three revolutionaries and fast friends, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, killed British officer Saunders to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The trio was hanged on the same day, 23rd March 1931. Shyamji Krishna Verma Shyamji Krishna Verma was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi village of Kutch district in Gujarat. He was a pioneer of revolutionary activities abroad, means in the other country. ऐसा नहीं था कि इंडिया की जो फ्रीडम मूवमेंट थी वो सिर्फ इंडिया में ही चल रही थी। ये जो हमने अभी देखा भगत सिंह और ऐसे कई लीडर्स इंक्लूडिंग श्यामजी वर्मा जो बाहर रहते थे, पर इंडियन होने के कारण वो बाहर से भी इंडियन मूवमेंट, फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में काफ़ी अच्छा योगदान दे रहे थे। कई लीडर्स ऐसे जिन्होंने बाहर भी, इंडिया के बाहर भी दूसरे कंट्री में रह के वहाँ पे एक फ़ौज बनाई जो ब्रिटिशर्स को चैलेंज करती थी। तो उनमें से एक थे श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा। He played a vital role in establishing Indian Home Rule Society on 18th February 1905 in London. The office of this society was in the house which was named as India House. To propagate this society, he started a daily named Indian Sociologist. As श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा, उन्होंने एक इंडियन होम रूल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया था और उनमें लोगों को ऐड करने के लिए और दूसरे लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए वो एक आर्टिकल भी हर रोज़ लिखते थे और वो हर रोज़ सारे इंडियंस को पहुँचे, ऐसा एफर्ट करते थे जिसका नाम था इंडियन सोशियोलॉजिस्ट। श्यामजी कृष्ण was associated with the leaders like Vinayak Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Madan Lal Dhingra, Sardar Singh Rana and Madam Kama in carrying out revolutionary activities. He arranged scholarship to help Indians living in England. He arranged scholarship as well as in 1909 Madan Lal Dhingra shot dead William Willie near Trafalgar Square in London. He was hanged for this crime. However, Shyamji Krishna Verma felt unsafe in London and due to that he shifted to Paris. He then shifted to Switzerland and died in 1930 CE. Madam Kama was born on 24th September 1861 in Mumbai. She lived in London from 1902 to 1907 for 5 years. She was an associate of Shyamji Krishna Verma in 1905 in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society. In 1907, Madam Kama was present at the Second International Socialist Conference held at Stuttgart in Germany, where she unfurled the Indian national flag, tricolored, with the slogan Vande Mataram. So, dear students, I hope that you must have understood the revolutionaries of India, जिन्होंने खुद के जान की भी परवाह नहीं की और इंडियन फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में जी जोर लगा के काफ़ी एफर्ट्स किए। एंड जो हम जानते हैं कि गांधी जी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार पटेल, वो 19th सेंचुरी ये सारे लीडर्स चले गए, उसके बाद उन्होंने वो बीड़ा संभाला था और फिर उन्हें सक्सेस मिला था इंडियन फ्रीडम को लाने के लिए। सो आफ्टर देम वी आर द फ्यूचर लीडर्स। तो हमें भी अपने देश की ऐसे ही रक्षा करनी है और दूसरे लोगों से बचाना है। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। आई होप यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड। टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय।